Transforming your body doesn't have to take months or years of relentless workouts. With the right exercises, consistency, and determination, you can see noticeable changes in just 4 weeks. In this video, we'll guide you through 8 essential exercises for men that can help build strength, improve endurance, and sculpt your body into its best shape yet. These workouts are designed to target key muscle groups while enhancing overall fitness. Let's dive into each exercise, why it works, and how to execute it properly. And remember, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more fitness tips and routines. 1. Push-ups. Push-ups are a classic exercise, and for good reason. They work your chest, shoulders, triceps, and core simultaneously. This body weight exercise is perfect for building upper body strength and improving muscular endurance. How to perform. 1. Begin in a plank position with your hands slightly wider than shoulder width apart. 2. Lower your chest toward the ground, keeping your elbows at a 45-degree angle. 3. Push yourself back up to the starting position. 4. Aim for 3 sets of 15-20 reps. Why it works. Push-ups are a compound exercise, meaning they engage multiple muscle groups at once. This not only helps in building muscle but also boosts your metabolism. 2. Squats. No exercise routine is complete without squats. Squats target your quadriceps, hamstrings, glutes, and calves, making them one of the best exercises for lower body strength and stability. How to perform. 1. Stand with your feet shoulder width apart. 2. Lower your body as if sitting back into a chair, keeping your chest upright and knees aligned over your toes. 3. Return to the starting position by pushing through your heels. 4. Perform 3 sets of 12-15 reps. Why it works. Squats not only build leg strength but also improve balance, coordination, and core stability. They're also great for burning calories due to the large muscle groups involved. 3. Plank. Planks are a must for building a strong core, which is essential for overall strength and stability. They also engage your shoulders, back, and glutes. How to perform. 1. Start in a push-up position, but rest on your forearms instead of your hands. 2. Keep your body in a straight line from head to heels. 3. Hold the position for 30-60 seconds, depending on your fitness level. 4. Repeat for 3 sets. Why it works. Planks are an isometric exercise, meaning they help build endurance in the core muscles, improve posture, and reduce the risk of lower back pain. 4. Pull-ups. Pull-ups are a fantastic upper body exercise that targets your back, shoulders, arms, and core. They're challenging but incredibly rewarding. How to perform. 1. Grab a pull-up bar with an overhand grip, hands slightly wider than shoulder width apart. 2. Pull your body upward until your chin clears the bar. 3. Lower yourself back to the starting position in a controlled manner. 4. Aim for 3 sets of 8-12 reps. Why it works. Pull-ups are excellent for building a V-shaped upper body, improving grip strength, and increasing overall functional strength. 5. Deadlifts. Deadlifts are a powerhouse exercise that targets your hamstrings, glutes, lower back, and even your core. They're ideal for building total body strength. How to perform. 1. Stand with your feet hip-width apart, with a barbell in front of you. 2. Bend at your hips and knees to grip the barbell with your hands just outside your knees. 3. Lift the barbell by extending your hips and knees simultaneously, keeping your back straight. 4. Lower the barbell back to the ground in a controlled motion. 5. Perform 3 sets of 8-10 reps. Why it works. Deadlifts are one of the most effective exercises for building strength and power, as they activate multiple muscle groups at once. 6. Bench press. The bench press is a staple for building chest strength and size, as well as targeting your shoulders and triceps. How to perform. 1. Lie on a bench with a barbell positioned above your chest. 2. Grip the barbell with your hands slightly wider than shoulder width apart. 3. Lower the barbell to your chest, then press it back up to the starting position. 4. Aim for 3 sets of 10-12 reps. Why it works. The bench press is highly effective for upper body strength and is a key exercise for building a well-rounded physique. 7. Lunges. Lunges are great for targeting the quads, hamstrings, glutes, and calves while also improving balance and coordination. How to perform. 1. Stand upright with your feet together. 2. Step forward with one leg and lower your body until your front knee is at a 90-degree angle. 3. Push back to the starting position and repeat with the other leg. 4. Perform 3 sets of 10-12 reps per leg. Why it works. Lunges are a functional exercise that mimics real-life movements, making them excellent for athletic performance and injury prevention. 8. Burpees. Burpees are a full-body exercise that combines strength and cardio, making them perfect for burning calories and boosting endurance. How to perform. 1. Start in a standing position. 2. Drop into a squat position and place your hands on the ground. 3. Kick your legs back into a plank position, then quickly return to the squat position. 4. Jump explosively into the air and repeat. 5. Perform 3 sets of 8-12 reps. Why it works. Burpees are a high-intensity exercise that works multiple muscle groups while improving cardiovascular fitness. Why these exercises work. These 8 exercises are powerful because they focus on compound movements, which activate multiple muscle groups at once. This not only helps build strength and muscle but also improves overall functional fitness. When combined with proper nutrition, rest, and consistency, you'll start to see noticeable changes in your body within just 4 weeks. Tips for success. 1. Progress gradually. Start with lighter weights or fewer reps and increase intensity over time. 2. Focus on form. Proper technique is crucial to avoid injuries. 3. Stay consistent. Stick to the routine at least 3-4 times a week. 4. Eat right. Fuel your body with lean protein, complex carbs, and healthy fats. 5. Rest and recover. Allow your muscles to recover with proper rest and sleep. Conclusion. Transforming your body in just 4 weeks is possible with the right exercises and dedication. These 8 exercises, push-ups, squats, planks, pull-ups, deadlifts, bench presses, lunges, and burpees, will help you build strength, improve endurance, and achieve the physique you've always wanted. Don't forget to share your progress in the comments below. And if you found this guide helpful, remember to like, share, and subscribe for more fitness tips and workout routines.